Hi, I would love to invite you this coming Saturday, May 4, from 12 noon to 5 p.m. as Macy's celebrates Asian Pacific American Heritage Month inside Macy's store. We will give some free sample taste of our delicious Filipino cuisines, featuring our popular President Bisdak Chef or Rex Alba's popular Chef Sharon. I tried it and it's very delicious. He also cooks a lot of wide array of Filipino dishes, especially Bisaya food. So if you want to learn how to cook, then check out his cooking FB page here. And Rose Jen Gray's popular old-fashioned way of cooking Filipino desserts and kakanin. She can cook everything Filipino from A to Z. Check out her Facebook page, Blowing Bubbles. And yours truly, Mrs. Webster. Check out my cooking page at Jamcat Homemade Filipino Pagkaing Pinoy. So, I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Bye!